Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about this wig. So yes, y'all, what do y'all think? Y'all know I don't usually do color, but I wanted to try it. I don't think I did my best job on this hair lace at all, but I did it. I could have did better, I know that, but I was kind of in a hurry, guys. Also, this color is not the true color. It's a T1B, the black at the top, and it's BG, Burgundy. But it's coming off in the lighting, I guess because my light is really bright, but it's coming off really like shiny, synthetic looking, and that's not how it looks in real life, like in person. But you guys will see when I show you the clip how I installed it. Make sure you stay tuned if you want to watch me install this wig. I did cut it up. I curled it a little bit. This side kind of fell. And I plucked, but I didn't overly pluck like I normally do. Y'all know I will pluck a wig to death. And I didn't do that tonight. I was kind of, like I said, I was kind of in a hurry. But I still like it, guys. This is so cute. I'm just shocked to see myself in some color. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments below, and stay tuned if you want to see me finesse this wig. Bye, y'all. Hey, so today we're going to be doing Sensational's What Lace collection. Now, I'm kind of nervous, y'all, because this is my first time doing a colored wig. This is KIYARI. Y'all know I can't pronounce nothing, baby. It came in the color T1B and BG. The last wig I did that was Sensational's What Lace collection, I fell in love. So I decided to try another one. And again, this one is gonna be color. And I'm so nervous, y'all, because I've never done a colored wig. But one thing I will say about these wigs, for them to be so affordable, it's so easy to lay the lace. It's so easy for it to blend. So guys, if you don't know what you're doing with these lace wigs, definitely try this collection. Look at that already. Look at that. I think we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be just fine. This has two combs on the side. It has a comb in the back. And we have adjustable straps as well. This is a 13x6 lace, and it comes pre-plucked with some baby hairs, as you can see. This is their What Lace collection, and you can see it's already doing a pretty good job of blending, so we should be good. I'm kind of nervous though, y'all. Look at this color, it's so cute. You can see on the model here, the length is not that long. It's like perfect for me. I don't like hair that's too long anyway. Y'all can see that. I just tried to like thin it out as much as I can.